Hi guys, my name is Dolores and I'm a food educator at the Free Library of Philadelphia's Culinary Literacy Center. And today we're going to talk about knife skills. I'm going to show you how to properly hold a chef knife, and we're going to learn a fun cut called a chiffonade. So first, this is a standard chef knife. This is the knife that I use at home. It's about an 8-inch blade. To hold the knife properly, I'm not going to just hold the handle here. What I want to do is make a fist with my dominant hand, and in between my thumb and index finger, I'm actually going to pinch the blade of the knife itself. So I'm gripping the blade and then I'm wrapping my other 3 fingers around the handle. This is going to give you a lot of control. Your non-dominant hand is going to be the hand you use to hold onto whatever products you're cutting on your board here. You want to keep this in a kind of a claw shape, because that way the knife can rest on your knuckles and you don't risk cutting yourself. So to do a chiffonade, we're going to use basil. It's a really fun cut for herbs or leafy greens. I have a couple leaves of basil stacked up. I'm going to roll them into a little tube. Then what I'm doing with my non-dominant hand, holding my little tube, taking my chef knife and kind of rocking it right through. I'm running the knife basically along my knuckles to kind of give me leverage. Chiffonade basically gives you this really lovely little, almost kind of ribbon cut that's perfect for herbs, leafy greens. You can put them in your salad or use them in whatever recipe you'd like.